Hi, my name is Jerica Wallace, and today I'm going to be giving my business presentation over Dog Days Doggy Daycare. We will start off with our executive summary. Our mission statement for Dog Days Doggy Daycare will be to provide a fun and safe environment for pets to play in the city. We will provide daycare, boarding, and bathing services. Dog Days will be located in Fort Smith, Arkansas, and it will be operated as a sole proprietorship. I will hire employees who meet our requirements and accountants to help keep our finances in check, and a manager to watch over the facility when I am not able to be there. Dog Days plans on being initially financed by savings that I will acquire and a loan from the bank. The actual dollar amount will be calculated when the building for operations is decided upon. To begin our exit strategy, we will determine where the decline in sales is coming from and if it is something that can be let go or lessened in order to acquire more income. If we determine that we can no longer operate our business without more finances, we will then determine if a loan is applicable. If Dog Days has ran out of options and needs to sell its operations, we will investigate selling the business either as a whole or in sections, depending upon what will acquire more income for the business. Dog Days will inform our employees of the changes when the decisions are finalized. Our goal is to give everyone at least a month's notice of the business closing, if at all possible. Now we will continue on to the company description. Our primary target customers include people ranging from ages 35 to 65 who have an income base of about $60,000 and who live within a 20-mile drive of the facility. We will conduct our own research regarding other businesses within the area that may affect our operations. This way we can get firsthand knowledge of the situation and we aren't spending a lot of excess and unnecessary finances on somebody else to do the research that we should be doing ourselves. Dog Days will be competing with other pet facilities, dog watchers, veterinary clinics, and even grooming salons. Now to the market analysis. Our business will provide a fun and safe environment for all dogs to play while their owners are away. We will provide daycare services to all dogs and boarding services for all dogs, cats, and small rodents and reptiles. Dog Days will differentiate itself from others by giving the proper training to our employees, providing fun and new ways to keep the dogs entertained, building strong relationships with our customers, and making pet safety a priority. Dog Days will be marketing to people interested in the pet care and pet watching services. A quote from Klaus in the Entrepreneur book: entrepreneurs should define the industry in which they will compete broadly enough to be inclusive of all potential competitors, but not so broadly as to be overwhelming. So this will include pet stores where daycare services are provided, veterinary clinics that also board cats and dogs, and pet setting services that allow you to hire someone to come into your home. Now, the organization and management. Dog Days will be ran as a sole proprietorship, as mentioned previously. The establishment will have one boss, a manager, and an outside accountant. This will allow me to be able to run the establishment the way I wish to do so, and having a manager will help me to have a peace of mind whenever I need to be away and having an accountant will help me to keep the finances in check and free me once again to have more time to do other things that need to be done within the business itself. Now, services. We will provide boarding, bathing, nail trimming, and daycare services. Daycare services will only be provided for dogs that are spayed and neutered once they reach 6 months of age, are up to date on their rabies, bordetella, and distemper vaccines. The daycare requirements are in place to help make sure that the dogs have a safe environment to play in. Boarding, bathing, and nail trimmings of cats and small rodents or reptiles will be required to update on their specific vaccines. Cats, particularly, will be required to have rabies, and others will just be required to have proof of their updated shot records. Dog Days plans on having a long life cycle as the demand for dog daycares and pet boarding facilities continue to grow. Our future staff will be required to meet a few requirements. They will, at minimum, be graduated from high school, have a GED, or still be in school to be even considered for a position at our establishment. We will only hire those that care for the pets that enter our facility as they were their own, can comfortably work within a team setting, and have a strong work ethic. Funding. Dog Days Doggy Daycare will take a few $1,000s to get everything needed for the initial startup. We will need to have enough money to pay for a few months' rent, as the business might not be able to attract much income in the first few months of operation. We will also need enough money to pay for necessities such as crates, internet, marketing, insurance, desk and chairs, a computer, things of that nature. And Dog Days will require an exact dollar amount of money needed with a budget that will be determined when the building and the other necessities are determined and researched. In order to meet our financial needs for the startup, Dog Days will also need to be funded by money I have saved and a loan from the bank, as stated earlier. Now on to our final projection. For Dog Days to get the funding needed, we will need to have a financial projection in place. Now, quoted from Klaus and the entrepreneurship book, the next anatomical step is perhaps the most critical in the due diligence effect, as the financial analysis of the business will most likely determine whether there is an actual financial opportunity for your business. We will need to develop a financial analysis. Our business will also need to develop a break-even analysis in order to be able to achieve an income that exceeds our expectations. Our business will include very specific precautions for the next year we are in business. As the U.S. Small Business Administration tells us, for the first year, be even more specific and use quarterly or even monthly projections. And this concludes my business presentation. Thank you.